muggy it is today. Going to work. I'll leave it on for a second because I mean, it is eerie. It's like being in like a, almost like a monster movie. That's a bridge, by the way. Wouldn't it be a great time to have Bigfoot run across, but I wouldn't get him really good, so, be another one of them, was it Bigfoot, or was it some guy in a costume, or a muscle man, or a wild man, or was it hoaxed, or, because, I mean, sure, some of the people that years ago that did that video there, they didn't expect, if they really weren't hoaxing it, they didn't expect people to say they were. There's something dead on the road. You won't be able to see it, probably. Ew. Oh, here we go. Another bridge. Out of the darkness. How do you like to jaunt every 5 seconds? Don't. Yeah, we pay the most taxes here in New York State, and our highways are pretty much, they're all right, but they're not. They should be perfect. For the kind of money that everybody has to pay in the state, they should be paved with gold, and they should be nice and smooth. They're not, of course. The money got spent somewhere in Albany to cater some party or something. I guess that's just the way it is. Well, this is boring, so I'll just let you go for now. But just wanted to show you this beautiful North Country morning here, just outside of Watertown, New York, going towards Alex Bay. And I didn't show you much because you can't see much.